everyone. Okay, so today is very exciting because I actually have a box, and I'm just guessing, but I think this box is from Disney. Zach works for Disney, so every year Disney sends out gifts at Christmas time. Time to do some unboxing. There are perks of working for Disney. Oh my god, okay. So inside the box, we've got a bunch of bubble wrap and some beautiful wrapping paper and a bow, and as you can see, I was right. This is from Disney. From our family to yours, happy holidays. A donation has been made to Toys for Tots. That's nice. There you go. This is from Disney. Thank you, Disney. Some nice gold wrapping. I don't know who wraps Disney's gifts for them, but they're a really good gift wrapper. This is like a professional wrapping job. True original. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not what I was expecting. So we've got Mickey Mouse on the front. This is a slow cooker, which I actually don't have for my kitchen. I was just talking about these last night. It's like a crock pot, 2 quarts, removable insert, 2-quart slow cooker. This is very lovely. We can do some cooking with that. See, it comes with an instruction manual, and it's Mickey Mouse all over it. So this is our slow cooker. Ta-da! The lid's got Mickey Mouse ears. That's very fun. This is very exciting. Now I'll have to start cooking. I don't really cook too much. This will go very well with our Mickey Mouse waffle iron, which we received a couple years ago. That makes Mickey Mouse waffles. We're actually going to be having these for breakfast tomorrow. And also goes very well with our Mickey Mouse toaster that we got last year. So thank you, Disney. Our kitchen is now full of Disney love and joy. Pray. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, all that jazz from Disney. From my kitchen to yours.